when it's chosen. Every setback, just a setup for the moment. Mama Maxine had the vision, now I'ma own it. I'm golden, now before my time, I'm golden.
Back in our school, me shy, me quiet. Nerd in the corner, dreams in the silence. Girls never watch me, them say me no stylish. But my brain heavy like a King's Royal chalice. Haters laugh when I stumble upon stage. Frenemies smile, but a venom in a cage. Couldn't find my lane while my peers getting paid. But my journey write itself like a book turning page.
I'm golden, shining through the pain I've been holding. Late bloomer, fine wine, vintage when it's chosen. Every setback, just a setup for the moment. Mama Maxine had the vision, no more own it. I'm golden, now before my time, I'm golden.
Study late night when me eye them red. Mama pushed my heart, every word she said. Felt like pressure, me couldn't see the threat. But she weaved knowledge like cloth from my head. Now me create, me paint, me rhyme. She said the struggle just sharpened the shine. Lost some loves, but never want lose. But life show me better preparation for the truthless. Every heartbreak, every sleepless test. Every friend who left, every failed attempt. It never break me, it built me chest. From broken youth to a man well blessed.
I'm golden, shining through the pain I've been holding. Late bloomer, fine wine, vintage when it's chosen. Every setback, just a setup for the moment. Mama Maxine had the vision, now I'ma own it. I'm golden, not before my time, golden.